Hello, my genius students and the lovely parents who are working so hard day and night just to ensure that the children get the best of education. How about doing a chapter on geometry today? Oh, it looks like everyone is interested. Chalo, let's do a chapter on geometry that is called triangle. Triangle is a figure that is bounded from three sides. A figure which is bounded from three sides, that is called a triangle. So it has three sides and it has three angles. If you can see on the screen, there are three angles to it, and if you add all these three angles, they always sum up to 180 degrees. Suppose I take the first angle, name the first angle A, second angle B, and third angle as C. So you will always see that A plus B plus C, that is angle A plus angle B that plus angle C, is always equal to 180 degrees. Hope you have understood by now the basic concept of a triangle and their angles. I will do some sums with you so that things become easier for you to understand. Now, let me just write this down. Let us take an example. Suppose I know the two angles of a triangle, that is angle A and angle B, and I am supposed to find the angle C. Suppose angle A is 62 degrees. Angle B is, let's take it 41 degrees. How will I find angle C? Now children, this is very simple. What you have to understand, एकदम से दिमाग में आप डाल लीजिए ये बात कि triangle जो भी हो, if it is a figure bounded by three sides, उसके तीनों angles sum up हमेशा होके add up होके 180 degrees ही देते हैं. So अगर दो angle हमें मालूम है तो उन दोनों को add करके 180 से minus कर ली जाए तो हमें तीसरा unknown angle मिल जाएगा. So A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay? ये आप देख रहे हैं एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी, इन तीनों के वैल्यूज को अगर ऐड की जाए तो आपको मिलेगा 180 डिग्रीज. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एंगल ए, एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. एंगल ए is 62 degree, so in the second line instead of angle A I will write 62. Similarly in case of angle B हम वहां पर लिखेंगे 41 degrees. And third angle C, वो हमें निकालना है. I do not know, so I will just write C there. Plus C, that is equal to 180 degrees. अब हमें करना क्या है? I have to find this third angle. तो C को हम यहीं इसी साइड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रख देंगे. Now children, as you progress in maths and if you have developed an interest in this subject, by now you must have understood what is a linear equation. This is again a case of linear equation, and this has been explained very nicely in my previous video, how to solve linear equation. If you have not watched my previous video, please go there, please subscribe my channel, watch my previous video and learn how to solve linear equation. ये एक linear equation है, इसमें हमें c को इसी साइड में रखना है, वैल्यूज को उस साइड में ले जाना है नंबर को. So I will write c equal to 180 minus 62 minus 41. Next step, 180 minus 62, how much is it? What you can do is you can also add 62 and 41 and then subtract it from 180 degree, or you can do 180 minus 62 individually and write 118 and then again minus 41 from there, so it comes up to 77 degrees. So 77 is your answer. This is very simple. Let's do another property of triangle, that is called exterior angle. Now what do we mean by the word exterior? Exterior means outside. Now in this triangle I will let the figure as it is and I will extend the line of the base, and I will erase the A, B, C alphabets from there. This entire thing I'm going to erase. Let the figure be on the screen. Now what I am going to do now is to teach you, to make you understand how to find the exterior angle of a triangle, and also what exterior angle of a triangle actually is. Just look on the screen, be focused, keep your mind cool, do not get tensed looking at the figure. This is very simple. Now suppose this is a triangle, I have to extend this baseline. Let me write the alphabets on the vertices. Vertices means the pointed area that you see when two lines meet. When two lines meet, the meeting point is called the vertex. Okay, so I will write the alphabet on the vertices a little lower, right on the tip of the triangle. So that is vertex A. Similarly, the second one I will name it B, and third one I'll name it C. Now what I have done here is I have extended the line BC to D. I will write D there. Now children, the three angles of a triangle which are inside the triangle, they are called the interior angles. But the angle which is outside, can you see the angle that is outside formed? I will show you with the cursor just next to the alphabet C. That is called the exterior angle of a triangle. Why this is called exterior angle? Because this is not inside the triangle. ये triangle के बाहर form हो रहा है. Similarly, you can have three exterior angles. If A is extended, you can have one exterior angle there. If B is extended, you can have one exterior angle there. Now suppose the value of A given is 75 degree, the value of B given is 35 degree, and you are supposed to find the value of C. How will you proceed? I will write the angle value inside the triangle, not outside. 75 degree, angle B is 35 degree, and suppose I name the exterior angle as X, and I am supposed to find the value of X. How am I going to do that? Remember children, there are some theorems in geometry which you have to abide by. In case of triangle also, there is a theorem which says that the exterior angle of a triangle is always equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of, let me write it down for you, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Sum means add. To interior angle, I have to also mention the word opposite, because you cannot take the interior angle which is adjacent to the exterior angle. Adjacent मतलब पास में होना, पास वाले एंगल को छोड़कर opposite वाले इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम हमें चाहिए. सम ऑफ टू ऑपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. दिस should be memorized by you. You must remember this theorem, and then you will be amazed to see how things go so smoothly in this chapter. Now let's proceed with this sum. Here the exterior angle is X, so I will write X equal to this. The theorem says the exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angles. So opposite interior angles we have is 75 plus 35. 75 plus 35. So this is equal to 110. So this was very simple. And this is the way you have to calculate any exterior angle. आप उसके बगल वाले एंगल को छोड़कर दोनों ऑपोजिट को ऐड कर दोगे, आपको एक्सटीरियर एंगल मिल जाएगा. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed till now, and share it as much as possible. Do also write something in the comment section so that I also come to know how you are enjoying my videos. Till then, stay safe and keep loving and sharing. Thank you.